Hi guys, in this video, I will be showcasing you how to auto-rotate the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. So guys, if the auto-rotate is already enabled, you can auto-rotate any app. So for instance, if you go to that app and you turn the screen, it rotates. And that's because you have the screen auto-rotation enabled. And you can do that for any app except the home screen. Now, if you want to able to auto rotate the home screen as well, you can go into your setting, scroll down to home screen, tap on that, and then under home screen, if you scroll, you should see the option, the auto rotate to landscape mode. So with that option enabled, this one right here, once you enable that option, as you are rotating other apps, if you turn on the home screen, it also auto rotates the home screen. So you can see the home screen is also rotating. Second way, you can also use a shortcut method which is available in the quick setting panel. Just swipe down from the top right side to open the quick panel menu. Here, if you press and hold on the auto rotate button, you have three options available. Now, if you turn on the toggle button of the home screen, it will turn on the home screen auto rotation on your device. Now, if you rotate your phone in horizontal direction, as you can see, the home screen is also rotated. So guys, that is basically two methods through which you can auto rotate your home screen on your Galaxy A37 5G. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.